Hey, how you doing? I hope you're good. I hope you're good. I hope you're good. It's a birthday. It's a birthday. It's a birthday. But before sikhuluma ngendaba birthday, ake sikhulume ngeindaba ezibuhlungu ezenzekile namhlanje. A friend of mine, Mr. Zwakele, uvuka ekuseni bantshontshela imoto yakhe. So siphostile-ke la ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana. So uma kuwukuthi uyayibona, please help. Sikwazi ukuthi siyirecover. And nami mangivuka ekuseni ngiyemsebenzini, imoto kamama wekhaya hayi be-right bengenankinga ayisebenzisayo. Ngayidlula nje emgwaqweni i-right, ngahamba ngayo emsebenzini. But an hour later, I think bengaboma 7 ekuseni, then I received a call yokuthi isibreakiwe yashawa iwind. Let me just show you what happened kuyo le moto. Baliphahlazile iwind njengoba ungabona. Maliphahlazekile-ke, then there is proof yako konke okwenzekile la phansi, njalo njalo, kunento ekhona. Well, normally-ke ey'ntweni ey'njengalezi uyafonela amaphoyisa ukuthi the first place to go is to call the police. Then I called the police, or I started calling friends emaphoyiseni, even the highest police office of a province, in just for advice. I'm on air right now, 9 yenzekile yini. So knowing ukuthi indawo ofanele ngireport kuyona, it's called Peria Police Station. So after the show, I drove to Peria Police Station. I didn't want to touch the car. Ngathi abayiyekela so that my fingerprint abo angasaleli, like, because whoever did this, there might be fingerprints if they were not using my gloves and stuff. And then so that the police as well would touch information. I think if it's a sergeant, a whole sergeant, to tell mama Sergeant Hlongwane. Uthi mama Sergeant Hlongwane, one, indawo yakho okuyona ifola under Durban Central. So amaphoyisa ase what's a place called ase Beria, they will not help you kuloko. So ngathi okay, no, it's fine. So but ungalivula icala, I just want to quote it njengokusho kwakhe, ungalivula icala ayikho inkinga, ungalivula icala khona la. And then hey, my apologies, go kuphele ibhetri. So-ke kuthi ungalivula-ke icala la, but you won't get no, asho ngithi you won't get i-case number. Angifuni ukusho amagama ngawashongo, but something like that won't help you with insurance. But I insist ukuthi what you need to do is to go to Durban Central. But even that Durban Central won't come to your place. Bezothatha my fingerprint. You must drive the car to the police station. And my question was, Mamu Hlongwane, kanjani phela, because manje if sengiqala ngidrayiva le moto, it's like kuzobe sengicontaminate ubufakazi obukhona, because it's more of indawo kwenzeka isigameko. Ngizoyidrayiva kanjani, because mangithinta ama-fingerprint lafanele bawathathe laba bantu, azobe seyathinteka. Uthi exact word, zama ukuyidrayiva kodwa ingathinteki. Bese I stand to be corrected. Sayitshena uthi zama ukuyidrayiva kodwa ingathinteki, but she stands to be corrected. If ubonile part 1, I'm so sorry, part 1 has to uyawakhatheka ngenxa yokuthi ngiphelelwe ibhetri while I was still alive. There is no way kufanele ngivule isivalo saleya moto, kufanele ngithinte steering. I don't even know ukuthi nabayintshontshile phakathi. I really don't know. I really don't know. Yeah, that's an issue, man. Kuningi on your birthday, kuningi. But yeah, Monday Jojwanga, that's all that matters. Athi ulukulu lingabolwa dina, anothula ngiyonilwela. However, ophihliza le moto yefro, iBhayibheli uthinta nina, thinta inhlamvu yeso lami. to the love solar. I pray that we will be grace. You're going to repent wherever you are. If you are looking at this video and you know what to do, saying feeling I decided, but I'm not going to take my energy. I'm being at Durban Central because I'm for no thing like poise or now. I just spoke to someone who's very senior in my poise and I use one in the show Usaichen. So I drive around and want to 19. As I imagine, I'm out of ending yako, but guys, ending yako. Guys, I'm not a police officer. I'm so sorry. From a standpoint of umuntu njengazi lutho. Ngizoqhubula kanjani indlu ngilethe police station ngithi anisearch ama locals ama fingerprint without touching it. Jesus. So it's one of those things in this world. It's one of those things in this world, but greater is he that is in us than the one is in the world. But we're not going to stop in this. So right now, if you are here and you're watching and you have a business, you're fixing motor, I'm a wind, because we've got a lot of things. From the was fixing motor, you win the first, because I don't need no fingerprint right now. I'm going to fix the motor was a in Mangiting order la Puboy, Bang Cheluguta's auto factory, so I don't even know what I told Lagalagopi. So Nyaz would take on Mundo also my business or Banama wind actually ready. So that the Bondolo sisters was a Kupega Hamber, I ain't doing Zach at the weekend. Naming a woman meaning and Shalele. I finally attend and then Besanya Hamba and Gonzo on Sunday. So I'm not gonna wait for 2 or 3 days for people was as well pass off and get driving more to oh by the way. She'll have finding landing a singer born. I'm so sorry guys, I missed that one. She'll finding tole in the track at Tonzi mod. Supposed to get that track at Tonzi moto. In 18, they have basically drop a police stage fee, tata my fingerprints rather, basically I think that's what she meant. I think I get it now. You take it to PG class. I've tried PG class. PG class would see they no longer do e-modo. They rely on you can go buy, but they don't longer do amawindi law. Akona mele ultenga akona then ulisebon. So yeah, man, I'm gonna keep cooking. But the police. Kwanazi, I love you, my brother. I know that I've sent you an SMS now this morning, but shout out to NIU, but last my police station, if I stand to be corrected. Sergeant Hlongwane, you stand to be corrected being a sergeant. I honor the badge. I honor iphandlo nazo nemendlela. Hey, yeah. Ngiyabonga wenkululeko Mthembu uthi benziwa manje ubuye nayo. But leyo into engayitholi welokhuza ukuthi kanjani man. Ngizafuna ukuyeza bekade enziwa nkosikazi leya ePG class. But I will make a phone call now and maybe drive to PG class. Because lena ke fortunately ngihamba ngayo ayikalimali yona. Ayilimele then ngizokwazi ukuhamba ngayo ngiyobona ukuthi khona yini into engakwazi ukuyenza ngizo PG class ukuthi uthini and then yeah and try and do something but yeah, thank you so much. So I'm sorry guys I got cut off, but that's an issue that you have, man. It's my birthday otherwise. Let me quickly go and sort out this issue and then I will hook up with you a bit later on. Kodwa ke Ningizimu Afrika ke sihlala kuyona injalo. uNkulunkulu uyanithanda nami nginqinqa kakhulu. God bless you. So take to Umgeni Road next to Kings Park Stadium. Angitholela phela with Daniel Madi. What's the name of the thing so that I can quickly go Google. Because I really need to sort this car today. Saying miss is car this. Nama nine thing is about inhlakanipho to ayise police station izogciwa. Nine thing is abengafuni kuhamba ngiyisi yoshiwa khona. I don't have time. Angisho amaphoyisa azoyigciya but sengiyasho nje ukuthi I don't want to have leyo muntu ehleli khona la ehleli khona but yeah man. That's what is happening right now. Ngiyanithanda ke kodwa bafowethu. Sisonke ngizon-update ukuthi kuhamba kanjani. Right now I'm off to PG class and see ukuthi ayikho into engayi-negotiate nabo. Bashuthela ithombe ngibona ukuthi khona into abangayenza. Even if bafuna ukungi-charge extra but as long as tonight umuntu kalo mama because she's got plans keep her today so I'm from the bed down. Yeah. Bye bye bafethu.